Hey, you made it! Excellent! Well, we have two exciting membership options here for you. The first is our 14-day trial. You can get started for only $1 down, and you can try it out before paying your regular monthly dues. After 14 days is up, if you love being with us and you don't want to cancel, we'll simply bill you for the regular membership dues. The second option is our yearly membership. If it makes sense for you, you can sign up for our yearly plan and save 60%. So if you're an action taker and you see the value in what we're doing and you want to be ahead of the pack in preparing, then this is the option for you. You can skip the trial period and sign up for the yearly membership right now. So whichever option you choose, here's what you get when you join. Within 3 weeks of signing up, you should be receiving your welcome packet in the mail. This packet will contain all of your membership details, including your NFPA membership card, and a list of features you'll be able to access as a member. We're also going to send you one of these gifts for free. It depends on what we have in stock, but you will be getting a great item just for signing up. Aquamira Frontier Straw, which is a great little water filter. A mini survival seed vault with 4 varieties and 1,000 seeds. An automatic mechanical fishing reel made in America. A Beretta handgun magazine loader, a really lightweight portable mag loader. So if you're ready to join our exclusive organization of like-minded families and preparedness experts, please choose your option below and let's get started. Of course, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our awesome support team. I'm really fortunate to be working with a great group of people that care about this country and care about preparedness as much as I do. So if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate. Call up and they'll help you any way they can. With that said, I look forward to seeing you on the inside.